Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to redeem a Binance gift card. First, open your Binance app or visit the website. Log into your account, then navigate to the gift card section. This is usually found within your profile or wallet area. Make sure your account is fully verified, as this is a crucial step to ensure a seamless redemption process without any delays. Once you are in the gift card section, you will see an option to redeem. Now, carefully locate the unique redemption code on your physical or digital gift card. This code is typically a 16-digit alphanumeric sequence. Enter this code precisely into the designated field. It's very important to double-check every character to avoid any errors before you proceed to the next step. After entering the code, a summary of the gift card details will appear. This will show you the cryptocurrency type and the exact amount you are about to receive. Take a moment to review these details to ensure they match your expectations. Once confirmed, proceed to finalize the redemption. The funds will then be instantly transferred to your Binance Spot wallet, and you'll see a confirmation message. Congratulations! Your gift card funds are now successfully added to your Binance Spot wallet. You can now use these funds for various activities on the platform. Whether you want to engage in trading, participate in staking, or explore other Binance services, your funds are ready. Remember, you can also transfer these funds to different wallets within Binance for specific purposes, giving you full control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.